To solve this question, we need to understand how a geometric progression, GP, works. In a GP, each term is found by multiplying the previous term by a fixed number called the common ratio, R. From the question, we are given two specific terms. 1. Second term, a sub 2, which is 6. 2. Fifth term, a sub 5, which is negative 162. Using our formula, we can write these as equations. Equation 1, a times r to the power of 2 minus 1. This results in a times r equals 6. Equation 2, a times r to the power of 5 minus 1. This results in a times r to the fourth power equals negative 162. Let's solve for r. The easiest way to get rid of the first term a and find r is to divide the equation for the larger term by the equation for the smaller term. Notice that the a on top and bottom cancel each other out. For the r terms, we subtract the exponents, for minus 1 equals 3. So now we have r cubed equals negative 27. Now, we need to find the cube root of negative 27. We are looking for a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, equals negative 27. So r equals the cube root of negative 27. This is equal to negative 3. Therefore, r is equal to negative 3. And that's how you find the common ratio. By setting up equations for our geometric progression and using division to isolate r, we calculated that our ratio is negative 3. See you in the next video.